This walk to the Amathounta Archaeological Area is located just east of Limassol and follows the beach promenade for about a mile and turns inland at the main entrance to the site. Once the temples have been explored, there's an optional and worthy extra to the summit of the nearby hill, with the spectacular Aphrodite Temple ruins on its peak. The return is via the beach promenade path back to the hotel complexes. The hotel complexes just east of Limassol are the perfect place to start a walk along the beach to the Amathounta Archaeological Area. There are several beach restaurants and cafes that can be stopped at and enjoyed along the way, and many beautiful Mediterranean houses to marvel at as you head west in the direction of Limassol. The route passes a small area of ruins that have been excavated, but sadly no information board providing any history on the remains can be found here, but it's likely that it links with the site further along the walk. A walkway along the coast is then followed, with some amazing rock formations where the sea has eroded over thousands of years. Heading under the main road, the route turns right and enters the Amathounta Archaeological Area, passing several other ruins first before entering the site proper. It is worthy of note that there is an entrance charge into the archaeological site. As of October 2019, the price was €2.50 per person. Amathounta is one of two great sites dedicated to Aphrodite, where sanctuaries and temples of the goddess can still be seen. It is believed the site was perhaps worshipped on as early as 1100 BC and underwent transformations over the centuries, with the remains dating to 800 and 500 BC. Here there are also the remains of a royal palace just to the side of the Acropolis. After leaving the lower archaeological area, the walk continues to the hilltop alongside by following some steps at the entrance, which leads to a path that skirts the edge of the escarpment and overlooks the historic site below. The ruins that sit on the hill's peak are the remains of a 1st century AD temple dedicated to Aphrodite, and enough remains to reconstruct the bustling religious buildings from 2000 years ago. The walk down the hill follows the main track as it snakes its way down past another ruin at the halfway point, and this stretch offers amazing views to the west, towards Limassol and the surrounding countryside, and also allows for some wildlife spotting, as there are many species of lizard that call this hill their home. Once at the bottom of the hill, it's a matter of retracing your steps along the beach promenade back to the hotel complexes.